cusp, destroy, rebuild. It's about to bust, destroy, rebuild. When the God flows, I kill a Tom, Dick, Harry, and John Doe. It's hard to turn off when I'm on go. I got the Mossberg, 2 barrels and a long nose. Stop lying to yourself, bro, Allah knows. We all pay the price when the time comes. It's all dollars and cents, but common sense they're trying to find some. Everything you love and praise ain't real. Party, sex, take pills, fake tits, ass lips, and fake nails. Trying your best to impress, your whole life consumed by fucking likes on the net. I wrote this from a hole I dug. Everything I write got depth. On the road to recovery, taking righteous steps. When I touch the mic, lightning strikes. 16 in the clip, 1 in the chamber. More hooks than a Tyson fight. Break your jaw trying to bite this ice. I'm ice cold, trying to rock till I die. Cause when you die, that's how life goes. Destroy, rebuild. Destroy, rebuild. It's never rust. Destroy, rebuild. To level up, destroy, rebuild. I'm on the cusp, destroy, rebuild. It's about to bust, destroy, rebuild. Yo, big ups to the all-knowing. I was falling till I prostrated. Now it's all flowing like the rivers up in heaven. It's a God thing, my favorite number 7. God's wrath will get you demolished, so I walk a straight path and do the knowledge. Time is money, I don't waste mine. I keep my face in a book, pray for peace, and never chase the grapevine. It's all barbs, ignorance is taught. The apple doesn't fall far. I do it all for the fruit of my loins. The shit's as deep as the void. To the dumb, deaf, and blind, it's just noise. For understanding, have to listen closer. Pen and pad, I reflect, I'm still depressed, cause this isn't closure. I got it off my chest, it isn't over. I'm in a snake pit fighting cobras from the lion's den. Fuck a sad song and a violin. Failure's not an option, you either die or try again. Destroy, rebuild. Destroy, rebuild. It's never rust. Destroy, rebuild. To level up, destroy, rebuild. I'm on the cusp, destroy, rebuild. It's about to bust, destroy,